Bhargav. I study in class first A. Good manners show the behavior of any person. Good manners are good habits. Good manners are most important in our life. Today I am going to tell about sneezing. Always turn your face away from people around you when sneezing or coughing. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. Dispose of your tissue properly. If there is no tissue, then sneeze or cough into the band of elbow, not your hands. Wash your hand just after the sneezing. Say excuse me when you sneeze or cough.